So now we are hiking back. We are in Reykjadalur in Reykjadalur hot springs. The hike is about 45 minutes into the mountains. It's foggy everywhere, like you can see. The water, what can I say about the water? Very, very hot, crazy. First 2 minutes you have to just get used to it. Then it's all right. But it is an amazing place.
I wanna know your dark side. I wanna know your secrets. I wanna be your lifeline. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Tell me you're more than just a highlight. Pretty pictures on the outside. I hate to stare at you through these lights. So I wait for you, wait for me. Wait for you, wait for me. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Click and scroll, I can't let you go. They say I'm addicted to you. Oh, oh, they say love, no.